Hello my friend, Caleb Wright here from Bitcoin Lifestyles Club, and in this video I'm going to teach you about the 7th commandment of crypto trading. Thou shalt have and abide by a game plan. If you want to experience a high level of success in the crypto markets, you just can't be randomly slinging satoshis on the exchange every day with no vision or goals. Traders who approach the market without a specific game plan in mind are most likely to become whale food. Don't be that guy. Decide what your goals are. For example, how much money do you want to make and how often? How much would you like to make per week, per month, per year? How much do you ultimately want to make before you liquidate out into other investments like real estate or an income generating business? This would be in relation to your long-term goals with your crypto profitability. And how much capital do you have to start with your investment? It's okay to dream while being realistic at the same time. If you set the bar really high, you are bound to at least achieve a good result and grow from there. But as a universal rule of thumb, something that applies to everyone, you should only enter the crypto market with money that you can ultimately afford to lose. You should not be depending on making trade winnings daily, weekly, or monthly to eat or pay your bills. This will end up being a root cause to bad trading decisions, as you may end up selling your holdings to pay the bills and then your coin skyrockets right after, which is always a painful feeling. Or even worse, if you really needed that money and then the market goes red or even crashes and you didn't have a stop loss in place, so you can only get a fraction of the money that you needed if you sell, and now you can't pay your bills. So this is why you should never put money into the crypto market that you are afraid to lose or going to need in any shape or form anytime soon. Once you become clear with your crypto trading goals, you can tailor your portfolio accordingly to reach those goals. And of course, no game plan is complete without a well thought out exit strategy. So while every one of your trades should have a profitable exit strategy, as well as an exit strategy to preserve your capital for the next trade if things go south on you, you also need to have an exit strategy for when you reach your longer term goals with trading crypto. Of course, I can't give you financial advice, but I personally think it would be unwise to stay 100% invested in crypto or any single financial market for the long term. And to me, it makes more sense to diversify your success out of crypto into other forms of investments that are less speculative, like real estate, for example, which can also have income generating potentials. So think about what you'd like to do with your money once you've reached your loftier goals of crypto trading, and you will be prepared to maximize on the situation and build a legacy for your family's future generations. A major benefit of having a game plan with your crypto trading is that you will be more in control of your emotions and less likely to fall prey to FOMO. According to your game plan, you will only be entering the market when prices are low and selling when prices are high. You will not FOMO into coins that have already broken out to higher levels, meaning the buying opportunity has passed. You will not hold on to trades too long once your profit targets are reached and end up back in the red when it corrects, because you avoided impulsive actions or complete inaction, stuck to the script, and sold according to your game plan. This is just scratching the surface, but I'm sure you can see by now there are a lot of benefits to having a game plan. Having a solid game plan in place is one and the same as having a winning mindset with your crypto trading, because you are conditioning yourself to make the trading decisions that need to be made so you can consistently take profit and preserve your capital, whatever the needs may be according to each given trading situation. This is where so many newbie crypto traders end up going wrong. Some may end up winning big, but because they didn't have a game plan in place to take profit, they ended up holding too long. And they may not even end up selling until they are back to break even or maybe even in a loss. So don't let yourself be that guy, because I guarantee it will not be a good feeling. Stick and abide by your game plan, take the emotion out of it, and be methodical with your trading, and maximize your crypto profits as a result. Caleb Wright here from Bitcoin Lifestyles Club, and I hope you got massive value out of today's training. Watch out for the rest of the 10 commandments of crypto trading that I've put together just for you, because I want to help you avoid the costly mistakes made by so many unsuspecting crypto noobs today. In the next training video coming right up, commandment number 8, I will reveal the methodology that successful traders are using to develop winning game plans for trading the crypto markets. Because the more educated you can be about all of this, the more powerful you will become with each trading decision and your ability to minimize your losses. And by the way, if you want to fast track your way to immersing yourself in the crypto markets, and if you are serious about developing your skills as a trader, you should check out the powerful crypto trading education and 24/7 running crypto mastermind community of winning crypto traders available on the Bitcoin Lifestyles Club platform that we have put together to help you maximize your potential and overall success with crypto. Just click the link below this video for more information and start accelerating on your path to crypto wealth and start living a financially free lifestyle starting today.